G'day, Ben Parr from the Salm team at Remax Bayside here. We're at number 55 Queens Court Road in the heart of Alex Hills. Great family home on a large block with side access and an in-ground pool. You'll want to see this one. This home is oozing with potential. It is zone medium density for the astute investor out there. But buyers, I don't want to have to call you after the next week and tell you that it is under contract. Act soon, act fast, give me a call. I'll get you through straight away. You need to see this one.